nahimo nga mama, we will provide the necessary services so that you will avoid engaging in risky sexual behavior. In fact, what we want for our adolescents is to abstain from engaging risky sexual behavior. Ayaw sa, no? Focus mo sa inyong pag-eskwela, sa inyong pag-forma, sa inyong maayo nga kaugmahon. Hindi mo po pwede na pabayaan na lang nato ang atong mga adolescent mothers. We cannot just point to them, blame them on their situation. Kaya ang adolescent pregnancy, ang child pregnancy is a confluence of several factors. Dili lamang na siya tungod sa bata, sa adolescent mother. Daghan pagingon kaganinang ni Director Ana that poverty is a driver. Tungod sa kalisod, ang uban nabutang niya na sitwasyon. So what do we do? Aning mga adolescent mothers? Aron dili lang sa sila matugangan ang ilang anak, we have to support them. And while supporting them, kinahanglan nga mubalik sila, naman karon sila, you can see them wearing an ID. Because they are actually nag-eskwela. No? And the support will be there as long as mo eskwela sila, as long as wala dili sa madugangan ang ilang mga anak or ang ilang anak. So for the youth leaders who are here, this will be our challenge. Tabangan, because all these regional line agencies, dili ni kaya nga kami lang. Kinahanglan kitang tanan, especially kamo mga youth leaders. And my challenge sa inyong eskwelahan, kung mahimo, this will be my challenge. At the end of the school year, kinahanglan walay maburos. Maninguha ta nga walay maburos sa inyong eskwelahan. Because you know, it's really a burden sa itong government. Because to be frank about it and honest about it, ang kining support na para sa adolescent mothers, no? This could have been used for other development initiatives nga kitang tanan paunta ang all Filipino people would benefit from it. But since we have this problem, no, dili nato pwede nga kalimtan lang sila. Ato pud silang tabangan nga because what we want is that for all of us to be a productive member of society. Kitang tanan so that atong nasod mas mulambok pa gyud.